Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Nightlight and granting the essential permissions so it can manage your home screen and widgets. Once installed, set it as your default launcher immediately so icon changes apply system-wide. Open the app and pick a base layout. This decides rows, columns, and dock behavior. Then pin your most used apps to the primary pages. This makes navigation fast. Make sure to accept accessibility prompts when asked so gestures and shortcuts function properly. Next, dive into customization to tailor how Nightlight feels and responds. Change grid and icon sizes to fit more apps or create roomy spacing. This controls visual density and reachability. Once done, enable gestures and map 2- and 3-finger swipes to actions like search or notifications for speed. Then apply a theme and adjust color accents so contrast stays readable in low light. Make sure to preview changes. They save immediately, so you can judge ergonomics as you use it. To finish, lock your finalized layout and create a backup of launcher settings so you can restore this setup after updates or a reset. Once saved, test all gestures, shortcuts, and widgets across different pages to confirm consistent behavior. If an app misbehaves, restart the launcher and retest. Often a cache clear resolves stray icons or missing widgets. If problems persist, reset the layout or reinstall Nightlight. That usually fixes permission or compatibility glitches without losing your exported backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.